Hi, I'm Sylvia from Kitchen Creations, and on today's episode I am making an easy Spanish rice that is the best, full of great flavor. Here are my ingredients: rice, butter, onion, tomato puree, chopped garlic, oregano, cumin, chicken bouillon, chili powder, and oil. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, we're going to start by chopping our onion. Next, over medium heat, add your oil and your butter. After the butter has melted, go ahead and add your onion and saute these for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add your garlic, your chicken bouillon, your cumin, oregano, and chili powder. And give it a good mix. After allowing your spices to fragrance for about a minute, go ahead and add in your tomato puree. After adding the tomato puree, allow it to come to a simmer. Then add your water. After adding your water, allow it to come to a boil. After your water has come to a boil, taste it just to make sure that it doesn't need any salt. After tasting the water, it looks like I do need a little bit of salt, so I'm going to add just a little bit to bring out the flavor. This is not even done yet, and it smells so good. This is seriously the best Spanish rice I've ever made. You guys, if you made it this far, go ahead and give my channel a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. I'm going to give this another taste, and it is perfect. Now add your rice and give it a good mix. After adding the rice, allow the water to evaporate before covering it. So the water has come to a boil after adding the rice, but we still need it to evaporate, so I'm gonna give it another few minutes before we can cover it. Okay, so at this point the water has evaporated, so what you wanna do is just give this a good mix. And cover with your lid and let it simmer on low for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the rice is done. It looks delicious. I love the color of the red. Okay guys, my Spanish rice is ready. For the taste test. Okay, here we go. And of course, you guys always get the first bite. This rice smells so good and it tastes amazing. This is one of my favorite rice to make. Okay, open wide. There you go. Wow. Give myself a pat on the back. This is perfect. This Spanish rice is perfect for any side dish that you have. It's just full of flavor. If you made it this far, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys later.